Mal and his team at NC has really helped us grow our business through the exceptional service that they provide and the products as well. A lot of the supplies that we order from them are binding tape, and whenever I place an order for binding tape, usually that same day he's already shipping the binding tape back to our facility. We also use their carpet shears. From time to time we have to send them in to be serviced, and again, NC, when I ship those shears to them, that same day, if not maybe the next day, those shears have already been serviced and are being sent back to our facility. So it really speaks to the service, the exceptional service that they provide.
It's our primary goal that NC machines, the byproduct like the binding tapes, the serging yarns and the fringes, the tools, and our customer service, our same-day shipping, that translates into you being satisfied, comfortable, and provides an aesthetically beautiful finished product.
There is nobody else in the industry that does it like NC Carpet. No one else has the reputation, the breadth of knowledge.
As a company, having a good reputation is beyond important to us. Being dependable, knowing when you hang up the phone, your order is going to go that day, it's going to be right, and it's going to be delivered. We do all we can to ensure that you are comfortable with our customer service on the phone, via email, at a trade show. Whatever the case, we want to put your mind at ease so you can do your job easier.
I've been with the company for 10 years, and since I've been here, we've used the same NC serging machine throughout that time, and not one time have we had to send it in to be serviced.